Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar CAD definitely did make a little bit of a bounce right here, but we did not bounce from a Fibonacci retracement level. And I think if this really is a proper pullback, which it looks like it definitely is, then it should potentially go up to the 38% and maybe even higher. So I don't really think this little pullback we're seeing is nothing more but a pullback within a move to the upside. Now, if this is not a wave 4, but it's actually a wave A, and this is a wave B, it's like a lower low wave B, and this is a wave C, it potentially could go up to a Fibonacci retracement level and then end up continuing the downtrend from there. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, anything we see to the downside we should consider is likely just a pullback within an uptrend. I personally would be looking for three-way pullbacks still for the continuation of the uptrend. Whether it's going to end the correction now or whether it's going to make a bigger pullback, I have no idea. I just know that if I do see a nice little three-way pullback, I definitely would take it as a long because the higher time frames tell me that there's no proof whatsoever that this is going down in any significant way yet. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.